Awesome. So welcome back. So sorry for that, but this is the part two of the continuation of that. So as I was saying, we can see that our market is already in profit this sell. Remember, I entered the order for this one, just another, and then it's already in profit. Now, if I should close this now, that was okay. Let me explain what I was saying. So I was telling us about iPhone. That iPhone, I was predicting that iPhone price will get to 150 and then it will start dropping. And then it will start it, and then once you get to 150, the max, you get to 150, then you start dropping to 70 naira, 60 naira, 10 naira, and I set it to a sell limit. Then it got there and start dropping. That's what it calls sell limit. And I explained to us as well, buy limit as what the least it to below it to get to, and you start buying. That's how I set to buy limit. Now the otherwise of the both of them, now you see it. Let me show you. Is on the trade. What to call. Let me share. As I want to take this trade now. As I want to take this card trade now, or let me say as I want to take gold now. Let me say trade. Can you see? Let me show you. Can you see? This is it here. Buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Can you see? I've just explained what buy limit and sell limits. Now let me explain this two now. Now buy stop and sell stop. Good. Now buy stop is just means a continuation of what is going. For example, now, for example, now someone just saying, okay, where are you going to? I'm going to US. Okay, stop by at Spain. Stop by at Spain. I'll pick you up. Stop by. That is a stop. That's a buy stop. Stop by at this place. I'll pick you up. That means something that is going already in a buy, in a long or in a buy, and you want to set it that it will get to this place and meet me there and continue buying. You get? Is that explanation very accurate? For example, I'm going to Ghana, and someone say, okay, stop by at border at Benin Republic at Benin. I'll pick you up from there. I should stop there. I mean, I should do a buy stop and pick me to where I can continue into what the journey to go to Ghana. That's what buy stop means. Same thing as sell stop as well. That was something that is already selling, and now set it ahead that it will come and sell here and still continue further again. So you want to join it in the front. You don't want to join now. You want to join later in the front. That's what it means, sell stop. You want to join later in the front. You are more convinced that if you get to that later in the front, it will join into place. For example, give another example now. Someone offered to give you a ride, and you know that the vehicle is not good. Okay, if the vehicle can travel 2 hours, I will go with my own. If you can travel for, I will go with commercial. If you can travel for 2 hours, then it means that this vehicle can join into the 4 hours journey that we need to complete. So I'll wait for you at the so place. If this can meet me there, definitely I will join you guys. Do you understand? Then the vehicle eventually meets you there, and you join into them together with them. That's what it means. What it means was buy stop to continue everything. You're setting it from here. That's what the market will what. You're setting it from here. That's what it would. That what it will what trade. It will what. Let me show you. Let me set it now. That what it will buy stop. It will meet you while it's buying, and then the sell swap to also will meet you while it is selling. That is what both of them meant. So let me also show you this red now. You can see that this thing is showing red. You must have asked me that once I entered, it just immediately was red before it started showing blue. Good. Now red is showing, it means what? Spread. It means spread. Can you see now? If you look at below this EURJPY, GBPJPY, you will see one small thing that here, right? Spread. Let me look at this place. This black stuff. Look at. Okay, let me slow down. Can you see the bottom now? Let me slow up now. Can you see the first one is what? EUROCAD, right? The first pair is what? EUROCAD. This pair, EUROCAD, right? Now look at this EUROCAD. Look at the bottom. Immediately you can see the word spread there. Under it, you can see the word spread. Spread means that's the charges or the level that brokers level on you for being able to license you into the market. You know, I said it in one of the introduction video that but forex exchange market is not available for individuals or retail like us. It's for institutions, brokerage, institutions, banks, and the likes like that. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch the video. I have done a video about the introductory where I explain everything about you need to know about forex and everything. So this is just one of the practicality I promised I'm going to do for you guys. Okay, so in that video I explained everything to you. So this is the spread, just a levy, the charge on you to be able to license you into the market. Let me explain to you now. For example, you have a vehicle and you're using to do commercial. All these people that just come and just stop, and probably local government or government, I don't know. If you are in Africa, it's common in Africa, in Nigeria, just come to you and say, okay, give your money. They want to collect levy from you, a tax, a minor tax, so that they can enable you to do the business you want to do. For example, you want to you're selling something and you move the stuff to bus stop. The bus stop you move it to is not really your house or your environment or your space, and you want to stay there. Someone just come, no, you can't pay. You have to pay something to stay here so you can sell your market. So the money you are paying for all those stuff is called leverage. That's exactly what spread means. So you are paying a fee charge for you to license you into the market. So that is why if you enter into the market first, it's allowed to take it away from there to be what? Minus. It's always in red. They have taken their spread. Minus, then once you enter into profit, they now begin to run into profit. Am I talking to somebody? Is that very clear and understood, guys? So that is for that. Good. Now, that is clear now. So now let me now close my profit. Let us want to close my profit. Let's close our profit. Let's close our profit. We can see now results. Can you see now? It means what we have. We now have what? Minus 32 profit out of 60. Now we have made some profit. Our losses are now reducing. Can you see now, guys? Let's see, open another gold. Let's open another gold trade. Okay. Let's open another gold trade and show you. Let's open another gold trade. So I meant buy. Let me also set the buy stop as what I taught you as well. Buy stop. I've set 2 stop now. I've set active buy and I've set buy stop as well. So that's good. So that is it now. So every profit you make, you always see you see your history here. For weekly one, for monthly, you always see the daily, you always see it here. Can you see the daily, the weekly, the monthly? So that is how you see it there. So that is how you see it. You see it there. And of course, you can use the MetaTrader to check the chart. You can use the MetaTrader to check the chart, what is going on, how the trade is moving, just to check chart. But this is not a better work. You can always use to check chart. Look at the chart, how your chart is doing, how the trade is moving. Then you check here. So now let me teach you take profit and stop loss. How you can set take profit. Now let me assume this trade I have activated it now. I want to set take profit. We have just entered now. It's buying. Okay, let me set my stop loss. Now I want to buy gold, right? My stop loss should be below this. Can you see this long candle now, guys? Can you see this? Can you see 3292? Can you see it below it? Another one, you get 3290. Good. Now let me say I want to set my stop loss for 32889. Just below this, just okay, 3290. Let me just say 3290 below the body of the candle. Let me set my stop loss now. Let me set my stop loss. This one that is active. Can you see now? This trade just activated now. I set what? A buy stop. That means what? It will join my buy. It will buy. It will keep coming up, and I want to join it at the front. I don't want to enter below. I don't want to enter now. I want to join it at the front. So that is where it just activated this now. Can you see? I set it. Just activated this 329. Just activated the buy stop. Good. So now let's set stop loss to it. Let me set stop loss. I want to set stop loss to 3290. You can see 3290. I've set my stop loss. I set stop loss as well. I set my what? Stop loss as well. Bam. So if markets now come back and hit 3290, depending on the lot size, imagine I'm using what 0.20. Now I told us earlier that depending on the money you are funding in the market, you determine your loss size you use. If you use excess loss size, that is, and your money is not capable of it, you have to wipe your account away. How do I explain this? For example, a small baby just born. You guys don't have borehole. You don't have anything. Or for example, in an African country or any place where you don't have borehole, you have to go and fetch water somewhere else. Good. And a small boy of 6, you are giving him a bath that even a 18 years old boy will carry, and he will still feel something that is, he will feel the weighty on him. You're not giving to a 6 years old boy. Will that 6 years old boy be able to carry that bath, or by the time you even start to carry it, either you throw away the bath and then break the plastic, or or you can't even, or you couldn't even walk while trying to carry the bath or whatever. So that's exactly how it is. If you have a lower account and you're opening a bigger lot size, it will wipe it off. It will kill such off. Do you understand? I don't know if that understand that, scenario illustration is well understood. So that's exactly how it is. So you cannot use what it's not for a minor stuff. For example, you are living, like for example, let me say someone who lives in a one room. You now pack 100 people to live in the one room together. Would live be able to accommodate everybody? It will never. That's exactly how it is. So it will need to two people, three. You get, so 100 people, they will definitely be breathing on each other's nose and mouth. It will be stuffy. Everything will just not be okay. So that's exactly how it is if you are using excess lot size. I will talk about that extensively and explain that for us, because it's very, very key. We understood that. So that is for that. So I see that our trade is moving in profit already. It's already moving in profit, and so that is for that. So that is for that. So I have set the stop. Let me now teach you take profit. Now I assume I want to take profit from here. I enter. I said it to move to what, a bit here, and I now set take profit. Okay, let me set my take profit to what? Let me say to 3298. 3298. Let's take our take profit to 3299. 3299. Let's say that take profit to 89 and see. Once market get there, you see how it will smash it, and then and then how it will smash it now. Let's see. Once market get to where we say that take profit, it will smash it, and you will see. That is for take profit. That is for take profit on gold. That is for take profit. So that is for now. We've learned how to set stop loss and take profit. However, once you are becoming an advanced trader, you might need only to set stop loss and then begin to monitor your trade, and then so you want to maximize your trade and not to set take profit. That is when you become advanced. Once market nears your trade profit, you need to show green. Can you see that as smash as take profit? Can you see now? You just made money now. You just made crazy money. Can you see now? $50, $40. Just can you see now? Just smash out take profit. Is how it looks like when you set your take profit. It already show green. But when you set your loss, let me now see now. Okay, let me take a loss trade now and see how it will hit our loss. Okay, let me now say, assuming I'm selling this market now. I'm already selling gold now. Let me assume I'm selling gold, and I set my stop loss to 98. I'm selling this gold now. Let me sell this market now. Let me sell first. Let me sell it. Then and I take and I set my stop loss towards 9850. Let's see how set my stop loss. And I set my stop loss to, can I see now? So once market hit the stop loss, it will show red. You see how it will show red. I thought I made minus something. Now we are in what? Back to what? 58 in profit now. Let's check our balance. 3,558. Can you see now? We are in profit now. The other one we went loss, right? Probably so. Now we are in profit now. I just showed us now. Profit now. I'll show you how the losses as well works. So when you see red, you know it's loss. You see blue, you know it's profit. Good. No, that's good. Let me also do a buy and set stop loss and see how it will go. So that is how that works, guys. That's how that works. So that's how that works. You can monitor your trade there. You can only monitor your trade here. That's how that works. You can see your withdrawal. You can see profit there. You can see how market is moving. You can see that is for, this is for MT5, MT4 is MT4. MT5's interface is quite different from this. So you can download anyone and then use. It doesn't have to be, it doesn't have to be this thing. You can download anyone and use. Anyone can be used among them. So that is for that. And of course you can always close trade manually. Just go like this. You can swipe up like this. You see this place. It means to close. Modify means you want to set. Let me explain this one. if I close this one now, I'll close it. It will close in either profit or loss. Let me say I close in profit now. Let me now say I want to close this one too now. I don't want to close this one here, but I want to what? Set stop loss and take profit. I will go to what? As I can either click on it like this, it will be close, modify trade charts. If I don't want to check chart, I will look at it. I will go to charts. If I click on it like this again, if I want to take another trade, I can take another trade. If I want to modify means to want to add either stop loss or take profit to it, then I will have to click modify. Then I can see that I already have a stop loss there. Then I can say I'm going to put take profit too. Then I can type it and then click on it. That's take profit. I'll just modify that trade now. If you hit profit, if you hit a take profit, it will what? It will come here. Good. This is what I want to show you now. Can you see now? This one just what? Hit our Excel. Can you see now? It showed red and minus $4. That's exactly what I want to show you. Can you see? So I just set Excel for it and it's what? Our Excel. Can you see, guys? Do you understand, everybody? Do you understand? That's exactly what I want to show you. Do you understand? Perfect. So that is for that MT4 and how you can trade, how you can start trading on MT4 once you've gone to the elementary introductory class and everything. Can you see the second one too? I also did it like that. I want to what? It our what? Excel. That's why it will show. Once you market it Excel, it will show it like this. You can see. So that is for that. You can click on it. You can swipe like this as well. This one means to what? The plus sign means to want to take a trade. You can swipe like this. The pencil sign means what? Modification. Okay. While the what? This one means close. The tick mark is means to us to close. That's good. I want to close that trade. Let me say I want to close this one. It means to close. I just close it. Bam. You see the results here. I can just close it. 0 cents, 0.40 cents. I just close. I have what? 52 profit left. That is it. So if you have any other question, guys, let me know. Put it on the chat, on the comment section. I will be willing to attend to all your questions. And if you haven't watched the interactive video I did about how to start up as a forex trader, please go into our channel and watch the video right now. You can see it around this right now. Is around this up right now. You can see it. Just click on it and go and watch it so you can understand that before watching this MT4. If you haven't watched that, you have to go and watch that now, so that before you watch this this MT4 or how to use MT4 as a trader. Thank you so much for joining me once again, people. I appreciate your moment and your time between together. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to this channel, because you will definitely learn a lot and a lot more. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, people. Cheers, my people. Bye for now. Peace.